I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself locked out of your Splitit account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Splitit login page. Go to the official Splitit website and navigate to the login section. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Splitit account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Splitit with instructions to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create the new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. If you don't receive the email, it might be due to a typo in your email address during Step 3.